I purchased this Harbor Freight folding hand truck due to its compact size to wheel around my generator. The only issue I have with the truck is the wheels cannot be locked, and I could not find replacement locking wheels anywhere that fit the cart. They seem to be specific to this manufacturer. Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, and even Harbor Freight did not sell any compatible wheels. Assembly is very easy, and all you have to do is install the casters. The quality is great for home consumer use and light shop work. For me, it fits my generator perfectly, and at around $50, this was a great purchase.